Hi, and thanks for tuning in. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to restore your piano black trim. First of all, what's piano black trim? As you know, in modern cars, things get more and more plastic, sadly, and the piano black trim is one part of that, inside and outside. When it leaves the factory, it looks really nice, but after some washes, it might look very, very bad, like this one. Check it out. Like in most cases, preparation is crucial. We did a wash and a decon wash, and this piano black trim even needs claying. So the clay marring and the scratches that I will put in are far less important than the ones that are already in. So after that, tape off the rubbers and the plastics so your polisher doesn't hit it and stains it. And then it's ready to find the polish, pad and machine combination to get the job done. So we have finished. The piano black trim is pretty well restored with our favorite pad and polish combination. It's not perfect yet, but it's looking very, very good. So now we are left with very glossy and good looking piano black trim. It's time to protect it. We can use any type of paint coating on top of it, but my preferred one is Most Evo because it's very easy to apply and very easy to wipe off without inducing any type of marring. I don't like the word best, but on these sensitive parts, the best thing to do is to put PPF on top of it. And I will show you why. So when you don't use proper wash techniques or you use these super soft brushes to wash your piano black trim or your piano black trim on the window side, I will show you what happens. So I hope this will help you to get your piano black trim back in a good shape and how to prevent from getting it scratched. If you like this episode, feel free to comment. If you don't like it, comment as well. I'm out. See you in the next one. Ciao.